why every real estate agent should be using Facebook ads in order to grow your business. No matter if you're a new agent or experienced, this can be a way in order for you to add an extra $100,000 to your real estate business by just doing Facebook ads alone. So for me, I owe all my success as a real estate agent starting out because I moved to a brand new city to start my career where I had no leads, no connections, and knew no one. But I was able to use online marketing in order for me to destroy my first couple years as a real estate agent and now continue with building my team. My team is outperforming the market where in my market, sales are going down, but our team sales continue to increase. So this is why I believe so much in online advertising and Facebook ads in particular, that it can be a game changer for no matter what stage you are as a real estate agent, new or experienced. This can be a quick and easy way for you to add $100,000 extra in sales each year. Hey everyone, it's Mortlock here with the Apex Group. If you're someone that wants to start doing Facebook ads but are just a little overwhelmed with setting them up and don't want to set them up incorrectly where you're wasting money, and you'd like for me to take on your ads, then go to the description and fill out that form, and then we can see if you're going to be a right fit for us to do your online marketing. But then if you're an agent that's doing around 10 deals a year and you want to get to the 20-30 deal mark and you would like to become one of my business partners, well then go in the description, book a call with me. I can show you a business plan that's going to allow you to hit that 20-30 deal mark, adopting exactly what we're doing to have success. Okay people, it's now 2024. If you're not adopting a digital identity to develop some sort of omnipresent marketing game plan as a real estate agent, you're going to be left behind. I'm sure there's a couple gray-haired people that have their past clients that they've been in the business for 20-30 years that they can call and chum up some new business whenever they get a little bit bored. If someone that really wants to pour gasoline on a fire to elevate your real estate business, getting that digital identity is going to be massive. And you can do this with Facebook ads. I'll compare it to a few other marketing sources that we do. In terms of return on actual capital invested, it is the best that we've seen. We get about a 10-to-1 return. So every $1,000 that you spend on Facebook ads, you're going to be making $10,000 in return, depending on what market you're in. When I compare that to, say, all our flyer campaigns that we do to stay top of mind with people, or even my billboard, and the cost of that each and every month, the amount of impressions and views and everything that my Facebook advertisement gives me is 5-6 times more than what all those old school marketing channels do. Yes, we still use them in order to build up our personal omnipresent marketing game plan, but Facebook is the focal point of how we're going to grow our business and continue to succeed in our real estate market. So reason number one is going to be the pinpoint marketing and targeting that Facebook can do for people currently looking to buy homes. Have you ever been someone that's speaking about something? This just happened to me and my girlfriend the other day. I was talking about getting a potential one of those cold plunges and one of those pop-up saunas. What was I getting hit with on Facebook and Instagram the very next day, and continue to get hit up with those ads, are specific to cold plunges and those pop-up saunas. It's no different than when we call these people from our real estate ads. They're like, I was literally just talking about maybe buying an Airbnb with my husband to make some extra income, and then next thing I know, your ad was showing up there. It was kind of crazy, actually a little scary and gloomy that they potentially are listening. But this is the power of it. How can you target people that are having conversations on wanting to buy real estate? There's no other platform that does this. That's why Facebook is going to be a game changer for your business. The next, and I already highlighted it a bit, is the cost effective of marketing to these people. With the amount of leads you get and the amount of brand impressions that you can, with how big of a database Facebook has, there's 2.8 billion people use this each and every month. And I can guarantee almost every one of your past clients and people that you transact with are going to be on Facebook. So having ads to retarget these people to still bring up that brand awareness is probably going to lead to you getting more repeat and referral without you having to hound them and give them constantly calls and text messages to check up like every old school person is telling you need to do to get referrals and get more deals from your past clients. The next point that people don't realize is when they see that you're marketing on Facebook is you build trust with your audience. They automatically think that you're legit. It's no difference than our billboard. When people see it, they think that we are absolutely legit because they see our billboard and we're the cat's meow in terms of becoming real estate agents because our face are plastered right out there in the open. Facebook has a similar effect. When they see agents who are doing Facebook ads, they automatically assume that you must be a top agent and and really good at what you're doing because you have that brand awareness on Facebook. The next point is how much data and how you can analyze to see if your ads are being effective. We've done this where we've ran certain ads thinking that they're going to be really good and they ended up being totally shit. Where the amount of data that you get from Facebook, it's really easy to see what's working, what's not. Where say if you're sending out your flyers, you're like, oh, how many people have actually called me from the flyers? Or say our billboard, like how many people are actually reaching out to us because they see our billboard. Those stuff is really almost impossible to track to see exactly if it's working or not. Where on Facebook, with the analytic tools, you can exactly see how many people are clicking on your ads, what the click-through rate is, what the cost per conversion is, and then you know how many of those people you actually turned into sales. So it's really tangible and you can build your business from there where, hey, if I want to do a certain amount of deals each and every month, I know that these convert at a 1:50 ratio, so I got to generate 50 Facebook leads each month in order to make a sale every single one. So it's super easy to build your business plan off of it. And this is exactly how we do it in order to hit the numbers and the success that we've had as real estate agents. So if you're a real estate agent and you want to take your real estate business to the next level and would like me to set up your Facebook ads for you, we'll go in the description and fill out that form. And if you're a right fit, I'll reach out to you. But for the people that are around 10 deals a year and you want to hit that 20, 30 deal mark and you've been struggling to actually achieve your goals, I can guarantee you if you partner with us that you're actually going to be able to double or triple your business if you're already doing 10 deals a year just with adopting our business plan. So go in the description, schedule a call with me to see if it's going to be a right fit.